Cruising, hit him in the face. Smack him for me. Thank you. Hi, Steve.
Hi, Kenny.
Whoop. How's it going? Yeah, good, Steve. Thanks. Yeah, good. All right, say hello to Benna right here in the turquoise chair. Benna's a student from New York. Benna, you have never had a job in your life? You never held down a job?
Nothing worth talking about, Ken.
Oh, I see. I'll call the sheriff and get the details. All right, say hello to Rob in the middle. On the end, say hello to Melanie. Originally from Minneapolis. She's also a student. Wish them loads of luck, huh? Okay, guys, I guess you know how we play this game. There's a whole bunch of questions, and you have answers, I assume. And maybe you win some prizes, and you get free sneakers, and you get memories, stories, etc. Go ahead, Rob.
I'll take channel 8, Ken.
Okay, Rob, I'm sure you will. Okay. Channel 8. Bewitched. Bewitched, 5 points. Which... Steve.
I went crazy. I don't know what happened. I went nuts.
He's like having his own music marathon back there. 5 points. Which character had a wife named Louise on Bewitched? Benna.
Larry Tate.
Yes, 5 points. Hey.
I will stay with Bewitched, please, Ken.
Okay, we call it Bewitched.
Bewitched.
10 points. Name the babe who was the sexy stewardess on Bewitched before she hit the big screen in 1 million years BC. Nice bing, Benna. Go ahead, Benna.
Tabitha.
No.
Endora.
Go ahead, Melanie.
Endora?
No. You know what, Rob?
The witch.
They're lighting their torches ready to chase you from the village, Rob. Raquel Welch was what we were looking for, and she looked great in 1 million years BC. Remember, she had that piece of, like, tan leather strung across her talent? And go ahead, Benna.
I'll close out this channel, Ken, please.
Yeah, right. 15 points. You know, I didn't even hear what you said. I just went, yeah, right. An animated Samantha Stevens went back in time to go on a girls-only camping trip on what cartoon series? Do you understand that?
Girls only.
Not really.
Girls only. An animated Samantha Stevens went back in time to go on a girls-only camping trip on what cartoon series? Benna.
Josie and the Pussycats?
No, thank you.
Good guess.
No one knows. The Flintstones, back in time. Yeah, it's a little confusing. Go ahead, Benna.
I'll pick channel 3, please.
That's a little boring.
Yeah, that too. After these messages, these are questions about commercials. Oops. Maybe I should fill out the right card. 5 points. Everybody's familiar with the Jolly Green Giant, but who's that equally emerald dwarf he likes to hang out with? Melanie.
Sprout?
Yeah, we'll take it. Sprout. His full name, of course, the Little Sprout.
Oh, sorry.
You're scoring at home. Go ahead, Melanie.
Yeah,
if you
I'll
are,
take
write us.
that.
Want to know what? What am I cackling about? I'm having a lot of fun.
You're like a little man in his basement.
I know, I'm all by myself. I don't need no... Mod TV, 5 points. Like, would you understand if I said Mod TV what it meant?
Yeah.
Oh, 5 points. Most of the men in Linda Lovelace's films had big parts. But which ex-monkey had a small part in Linda Lovelace for President the film? Rob.
Davy Jones.
No. Melanie.
Nikki Dolan.
Yes, 5 points, Melanie. Put you in the lead.
I'll stick with Mod TV.
Okie dokie. Did you know what it meant?
I do now.
That's all that matters, I guess. 10 points. From 65 to 67, there were hip shows, not from Uncle, all over the place. But what boring Western was rated #1 during that time period? Benna.
The Beverly Hillbillies?
No.
Gunsmoke.
No, not Gunsmoke. Why are they laughing, Benna? I don't think Beverly Hillbillies qualifies for Western. I guess you got thrown because Jed wore a cowboy hat. Bonanza was what we were looking for and didn't receive. Yes, it hurts, it hurts, it hurts. Go ahead, Melanie.
I think I'll move it to channel 1.
Channel 1. Boy, were they stupid. Minds of anything? These are questions that overwhelmed the simple minds of our past contestants. So we brought them back to give you guys a shot. Here we go. 5 points. On Earth, they're known as Fred and Joyce. But what are Fred and Joyce Conehead called back on Remulac?
That's hard.
Benna.
Mr. and Mrs. Conehead?
I love you, Benna. Benna, want to go out?
Not really.
Beldar and Primat. Remember that was the name? That is kind of hard. Oh, yeah, Ma?
Can you get Vulture Boys to sing me a song?
Some derogatory term. Stay on with time. 10 points. Sing the next line of this Nina Cherry hit.
No money, man, to win my love. It's sweetness that I'm thinking of. We always hang in a buffalo stance. We do the dive every time we dance. I give you love, baby, not romance. I'll make a move, nothing left to chance, so
Don't you get fresh with me.
10 points, yeah. All right, Rob, you needed that. Well, here we go, 15 points. Listen up. Make like David Lee Roth and jump on the next line of this Van Halen song.
have you seen her? Why, I'm pretty, moving with the irony. And I feel her from across the room. And I know it's the third degree. Oh, baby, baby, won't you turn your head my way? Oh, baby, baby, go out, turn your head. You're old enough to...
Old enough to what?
Dance, dance, dance the night away.
Yeah, 15 points. All right, Benna. Oh, that signals the end of our first round. Benna, you're in the lead with 20 points. Melanie, Rob at 10. Little cereal and milk for you. We're going to come back, play round 2. The survivor has a shot at this stuff.
Street Neat Leather Wayfarer Sunglasses by Ray-Ban. Elegant embossed leather that's right in step with today's fashion. Wayfarer, the world's finest sunglasses from Bosch & Lomb.
It's a collection of island CDs with the latest hits from such artists as Melissa Etheridge and Young MC.
Magna Mountain Bikes, more power to climb and accelerate. Magna, the hot new name on the streets, distributed by Dynacraft Industries, Inc.
When the lights go out, the fun begins with Popworks AM/FM stereo neon alarm clock. New York, Paris, Tokyo, Los Angeles, Mars. Popworks, people say different things. When remote control continues. Hey, put that thing away.
Can MTV get quiet for once? No, but we can get a little less electric with our new Sunday half-hour Unplugged. Unplugged, where the best musicians go acoustic, so you can see and hear them the way you won't anywhere else.
This week, Neil Young.
Hosted by Jules Shear. Sunday nights at 11, 10 Central. Amps? We don't need no stinking amps.
Remote Control is brought to you this evening by Head & Shoulders and by Secret.
Baseball is my life. Gotta start Oz. Hot hitter.
Game time, Tommy.
I'm on my way. Hit away.
Bases loaded, Tommy. What are we doing?
Bunt. Shift over. Dead full hitter. Double play. What a game. And even my friend Arnie's got a great game. And I get a kick out of soccer and new basketball.
Game's over, Tommy.
Ain't over till it's over. Genesis by Sega. It's a whole new ball game.
A 20-pound free weight doesn't know the difference between a man and a woman. A jump rope isn't designed any differently for a man or a woman. But when a woman sweats, her antiperspirant better know the difference. That's why we've developed new Sporty Clean Secret. Strong enough for a man, but pH balanced for an active woman's chemistry, with a clean new scent that lasts. Because there is a difference between him and you. New Sporty Clean Secret.
The 1990 Toyota Celica. Its totally new shape will please your sense of design. And the way it moves will stimulate your sense of excitement. The all-new Toyota Celica. does for you.
Snow, incredible snow.
You are psyched, huh?
It's our first trip to America's premier ski resort. Hey, what do you think? Black, huh?
Yeah. I can see you working the main lodge tonight there in the romantic glow of a roaring fire. Your dandruff takes its toll.
Dandruff?
'Tis the season for the flakes that don't melt.
I shampoo every morning.
Shampoo till spring with an ordinary shampoo. Won't work like this.
You use Head & Shoulders. You don't have dandruff.
Nothing gets by you, does it?
Head & Shoulders, because you never get a second chance to make a first impression.
I can't stand it anymore. I must break free. I must not become like one of these cold, unfeeling machines. I love to dance and sing and laugh. Yes, laugh. And I shall, in just 6 weeks on April 1st, when the new TV comedy network begins broadcasting on my TV. My TV will make me laugh. Oh, how I love my TV. My TV is a warm, caring machine that appreciates good dancing.
Welcome back to the only game show that sells coffins at below dealer rate, Remote Control.
Thanks, Colin. Okay, 20-10 of the scores. Benna, you're in the lead and you have control. Pick away.
Channel 8, please.
8. Okay, talk is cheap. And so are the people that do it for a living. Here we go. 20 points now. Which of these topics has not been covered yet by Phil, Oprah, Geraldo, or Sally Jesse? Was it number 1, dwarves are people too? Number 2, correcting dwarfism? Or number 3, dwarf tossing, which has not been covered? Benna.
Dwarf flossing.
Dwarf flossing.
Tossing.
Dwarf flossing. Dwarf tossing. No, that hasn't been covered. Melanie.
Correcting dwarfism.
No, that has also been covered.
I know it. Dwarfs are people, too.
Yeah!
I don't find your dwarf humor very amusing.
Oh, no. Hugo's back. Go ahead, Rob. You have the lead.
All right, now let's go to channel 7.
Okay. Whenever crime rears its ugly head, so do these guys.
Police, nobody move! All right, feet behind your head, shoulders behind your back. Spread them, assume the position.
All right, John. Check and see if he's clean.
Yeah, he's clean.
Can I see those for just a second, please?
What, these?
Yeah, just a second. I want to see these.
Oh,
kids.
sure.
Yeah, hang on a second.
How's that? I take it back. He's not clean.
Good. Sorry, Kenny, just a couple of routine questions
Yes,
here.
sir.
Hey, you know that cop show on Fox with those spongy-headed, bald cops from outer space? What's the name of that show?
Rob.
Alien Nation.
Yes, Rob. 20 points.
Yeah.
What do you want to do, Rob?
Let's stick with these guys. I like them.
Officers?
Well, I don't have any questions left, Kenny, but maybe Mr. Haynes' head here does.
Where's the hole? Oh. Yeah. Finish this statement from Dragnet. This is the city, Los Angeles, California. I work here. I carry a...
Benna.
Gun.
No.
Wow. A badge.
Yes, I carry a badge. 30 points. The boy is pulling ahead with 80 points. Thanks, fellas.
We'll see you later, Kenny. Any problems, just give us a call.
Okie dokie. Go ahead, Rob.
All right, let's go to channel 9.
Channel 9. Political pinheads. Thank you. Here we go. 10 points. Although it's not clear how we could have known it, what president promised to resign if he ever went senile? Benna.
Ronald Reagan.
Yes, 10 points. Go ahead, Benna.
I'll stick with this channel, Ken.
Okay, Benna, I'm sure
Thank
you will.
you.
Here we go, 20 points. After Reagan took a slug, this scary general reassured a nation by staring into the TV cameras and declaring, what scary general reassured a nation by staring into the TV cameras and declaring, I'm in charge here. Today, he's in the unemployment line.
Haig.
Haig, right, Alexander Haig. 20 points.
Let's
Rob.
go to channel 5.
Channel 5. Oh, great. It's a visit from my demented ex-girlfriend, Nancy.
Ken, you know, having me on your show just to hype your ratings is really low. But I come today not to ask a question, but to serve you with a summons. I'm charging mental cruelty, mismanagement of emotions, but mostly I want my Billy Ocean records back, Ken.
Nancy.
Ken, you know, we can try. We can make it work. If only you'd let yourself love just a little bit, you evil hellspawn.
All right, Nancy, that's enough. Why don't you ask your question? All right, please.
When politician Tom Hayden endorses his alimony checks, what famous offspring of Henry Fonda has signed the front?
Ooh, that's Rob.
Jane Fonda.
Yes, Rob.
Yeah.
20 points. Sweetheart, I won't be needing this. Oh! I'll call you, honey. That is the end of our game. Proper time for this, that, or the other thing. 10 points each, 20 seconds worth. Tell me if these folks that I will name now appeared on Today, Tonight, Late Night, or Later. Which of the shows? Today, Tonight, Late Night, or Later. Here we go. Give me a clock. Gene Shalit. Benna.
Today.
Yes. Tommy Newsom. Rob.
Tonight.
Yes. Paul Schaefer. Benna.
Tonight.
No.
Late
Melanie.
night.
Yes. Bob Costas. Benna.
Late night. Late
No. Melanie.
Tonight.
No. Rob.
Today.
No. Later. Chris Elliott. Melanie.
Late night.
Yes. Deborah Norville. Rob.
Today.
Yes. Melanie. Bye, Mel. There's no helping you, Melanie. You're gone. Okay, Benna, Rob, 140, 40 points. Now you have a chance to wager some or all of your point total, whatever you deem necessary. And this is what you're shooting for.
Technique's compact disc changer with 5-disc rotary design lets you program your selections with the 25-key wireless remote control from Technique.
The ADC Sound Shaper speaker system. Powerful, wide-range stereo sound from a speaker system small enough to fit in a suitcase. ADC, you'll believe it when you hear it.
For high-styled performance, the Zenith and this 20-inch stereo receiver monitor with remote control. The Zenith has easy-to-use on-screen menus and can even turn itself off after you go to sleep.
Express your desire to look great with the Body Smith Express. Perform a variety of exercises for total body conditioning. Body Smith Express from Parabody.
Okay, obviously a large point discrepancy, but who knows, maybe something large and hard will fall on Rob. Anyway, we have your wagers. Here's your big bad question of the day. While visiting Uranus, Enterprise crewman Worf buys 5 dozen I'm With Stupid t-shirts for $80 and then sells them on the planet Correo for $3.50 each. If there are no other expenses, what will be the total profit? Once again, crewman Worf buys 5 dozen I'm With Stupid t-shirts for $80 and sells them on planet Correo for $3.50 each. With no other expenses, what will his total profit be? It's up here if you need to refer to it. While you guys figure, we'll do this.
Okay, this is Simon Says. You all know the rules. If I say Simon Says, do it. If I don't say, don't do it. We need a couple of volunteers to start, all right? What's your name?
Paul.
All right, you're out. No, I'm just kidding. All right, ready? So Simon says, do this. Simon says, do this. Do this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. Before it goes any further, put your pens down and let me see. We'll start with Benna. Benna, what was your answer?
I have no answer, Ken.
Very good, Benna.
But I guess.
You and me both. And how much did you wager, hon?
All of it.
And what does that leave you with, Ben?
What?
What does that leave you with?
0.
Yes, Benna. Rob, what was your answer?
I've answered question mark, Ken.
Oh, you and Benna. Something the same. Did you copy off each other? How much did you wager, buddy?
I wagered 20.
Well, I guess it doesn't matter. You have 120. The real answer was 130. What's the total profit? Benna, bye-bye. Rob, congratulations. You're headed towards the wheel of Jeopardy.
on video cassette. John Candy is Uncle Buck.
Buck, we have a problem with the kids. We're stuck for somebody to watch them.
Oh, please, not that.
Can we trust him? He's my brother, for God's sake.
I won't let him get into that Satan stuff or any of the new chicks. I'll leave that for me. Wow. I'm kidding, huh?
He's crude. He's crass. But he's family. John Candy is Uncle Buck. Bring it home on video cassette from MCA Home Video.
If you don't want to slow down on your way to the top. Because you know to make a beer as refreshing as a mountain stream, you gotta start with a mountain stream. It's the right beer now. When a night on the town might last all night, call for the taste preferred at Better Night Spots. The silver bullet, the one that won't slow you down.
It's the right beer now.
Double Dragon 2, The Revenge for your Nintendo Entertainment System. The best action game ever from Acclaim. The Acclaim wireless remote controller for your Nintendo Entertainment System. Gets you mobile in WrestleMania. In Flying Airwolf, its rapid fire means higher scores. Accurate up to 30 feet. The Acclaim official wireless remote controller. The power to move.
Bush and Gorbachev meet in Malta, and CNN is there live. Germany celebrates freedom, and CNN has the story live. Social revolution sweeps China, and CNN captures the drama live. Earthquake shatters Northern California, and CNN reports live.
Beginner to expert, Acton Music Center brings out the music in you.
Make 1990 the year you learn to play a musical instrument. Call Acton Music Center at 263-9288.
Don't try struggling, Rob. You can't get out. Okay, you've got 9 videos. You get them all right. This is where you're going.
A vacation at the Crestwood Lodge. Ski in, ski out. Deluxe condominiums with fireplaces, complete kitchens and hotel services. Outdoor heated pool, 2 therapy pools, sauna and exercise facility. 12 miles from Aspen.
Okie dokie, Rob. You know how it works. You got a monitor here at your foot and at your head.
Okay.
How do you feel?
Feel interesting.
Okay, good enough. Myself and my henchman, the Goat Boy, will spin you around. You ready, Goat Boy?
So smoky, Kate.
I know it's smoky. It's all effect. Don't let it scare you. Help me out. On your mark. Get set. Go. 1, pass. Pass a 1. 2. Sim Hagar. No. 2. Pass. Pass a 2. 3. Police. 3 right. 4. Madonna. No. 4. Pass. Pass a 4. 5. Terrence Trent third. 5 right. 6. Salt and Pepper. 6 right. 7. Bon Jovi. No. 7. Metallica. No. 7. Whitesnake. No. Pass. Pass on 7. Madonna. No. UB40. No. A pass. Pass on 8. 9. Deborah had Blondie. Yes, 9. Back to 1. 1. Oh. 1 was Bon Jovi. 2 was Robert Plant. 4 was 10,000 Maniacs. 7, Skid Row. 8, the Red Hot Chili Peppers. And 9, as you said, was Blondie. You got a neon clock, a bike, CDs, and a pair of Ray-Bans, buddy. Not bad. That's Remote Control. Bye.
All contestants receive. Get off on the right foot. Get off in DKs for the newest and hottest in athletic footwear. It's British Knights. Wherever you go, whatever you do, British Knights are the right move for you. Take control of your life with Zenith's multi-brand remote control. It operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters from the company that invented the remote control, Zenith. Losing contestants receive Paul Mitchell Shampoo Collection. 5 different yet equally effective shampoos leave hair shiny, manageable, and ready to style beautifully, made with only the finest ingredients from Paul Mitchell. jeans. Surf wash blues and blacks in 5-pocket and notchback styles. LA Gear jeans do a lot more than fit. Conair Geometrics 5 interchangeable styling heads create zigzags, spirals, triangles, crimps, or straight hair. You can be confident if it's Conair. Merle Harmon's Fanfare featuring replica and authentic team apparel with over 100 locations in shopping malls nationwide. Merle Harmon's Fanfare is the sports fans gift shop. Test your TV knowledge again and again with the computer software version of Remote Control, new from High-Tech Expressions.
Remote Control is brought to you this evening by Head &